Display your 1/18 scale diecast models with this acrylic display case from Fairfield Collectibles. The display features posable LED lights to put the attention on your favorite models. The display arrives ready to assemble with clear acrylic panels, a black acrylic base, 2 LED light poles, and power cord. Assembly will take a few minutes, but can be accomplished without the use of tools. Pop the bottom corners off the base to access the wires for the LED lights. You will pull the wires from the LED lights through the opening in the base. The LED light pole has a threaded base that you need to adjust to properly secure to the base of the display case. Once the height is correct and the ring nut has been tightened, you can connect the wires and replace the cover. Do this for each LED light pole. The clear cover is comprised of 5 acrylic panels. Remove the protective film from each panel to see the crystal clear finish of the cover. The panels interlock and include mounting anchors and push pins for each corner. The anchors and push pins install without the use of tools. The most difficult part of the assembly process is installing the top panel. The side panels must be properly fitted and aligned for the top panel to install. It will install, but can take a few attempts to get the tongue and groove style joints to snap into place. Do not use too much pressure to assemble, or you risk damaging the acrylic panels. You can use the tip of a pencil eraser to guide and apply pressure where applicable if needed. The display case includes a power cord and an on-off switch to operate the LED lights. After you have positioned your diecast collectible, adjust the angle of the LED lights before installing the cover. The display case is 15 inches long and 7.5 inches wide to accommodate most 1/18 scale models. Any diecast models are sold separately.